How's it going? Conor here, helping you lose unwanted body fat, building muscle mass so you can look and feel your best no matter how busy your lifestyle. And on today's video, this is going to be the beginning of a brand new series that I'm going to be uploading on YouTube. It's going to be how you can start calisthenics and how you can get better at particular movements. And today, we're going to be starting off with the push-up. I'm going to showcase how you can easily perform the push-up variation no matter what your fitness level. So if you're a complete beginner, I'm going to showcase how you can go from not being able to perform a push-up to being able to get super strong and powerful to work towards the more advanced variations. So let's get it. So team, once it comes to starting off to be able to perform the push-up, the first variation I want you to focus on is being able to perform the movement on your knees, okay? Now this is how I started off to be able to master the push-up range of motion so I could therefore gain the strength and the power to be able to perform the normal push-up variation. So on your knees, okay, and I want you to keep your body in that neutral position with your hands shoulder width apart, okay? And from there, always aim to get that chest right down and touch the ground, okay? And you really want to be able to focus on performing around 10 to 15 reps before you move on to the next modification, which I'm going to showcase, okay, the next variation. Now, even from there, another good technique before you move on to the next version is bringing your hands in a wee bit closer, okay? It makes the push-up variation a wee bit more difficult, but it's a good way to strengthen up the pushing muscles, okay? So from there, you can go into your tight grip on your knees and just slow and control, okay? Push it anywhere around those 10 to 15 reps. Always focus on breathing in and breathing out. Now, step number one is perform your push-up variation on your knees, okay? And as I said, go from shoulder width apart into your closer grip, and therefore you're going to be able to build up the strength, the power, and the functionality to be able to master the next movement, which is your elevated push-up, okay? So this can be performed on literally any object, okay? A bench, a desk, whatever it may be, something that's going to create a wee bit of elevation for you. So what you want to do is the same protocol. Hands, shoulder width apart, okay? Stretch your body out, and you want to get that chest right down and touch the object, okay? That's the perfect breath right there. Breathing in, breathing out. So once again, whenever you can perform 10 or 15 solid reps, lower the incline, okay? Lower the elevation. And that there is going to be a bit more difficult. So once again, you would perform that for 10 to 15 reps, and then you would move on to your even lower elevated surface to really push yourself. Before I move on showcasing the next variation with the lower elevation, I want to showcase how you can use these techniques to be able to perform any type of push-up variation like one. Now this is what I use with a lot of my clients and what I performed myself whenever I was focusing on the behind the clap push-up. So from here, with that elevated object, get into that push-up position, just bar up with your clap. And that's going to enable you to be able to perform the more explosive variations, okay? So many people ask me how do I perform the more advanced variations, the Superman and the behind the back cap. Simply by focusing on the elevated variation first. Therefore, you're going to be able to build up the strength. Okay, so you can go once again 10 to 15 solid reps. I mean without stopping. Then you're going to lower the elevation again, perform it there, and then eventually you're going to try a few reps from your position on the ground, okay? But anyway, that's just a quick tip. I will do a video in more detail on how to perform the more advanced variations. But right now I want to showcase how you can master the push-up. Okay team, now as you can see I have an even lower elevation. Now, once again, this could be literally anything, okay? It could be the edge of the pavement, whatever it may be, something that's going to have that slight elevation for you to push yourself. So once again, push-up position, chest is down, touches the object, and power right back up again. Now once again, if you can perform 10 to 15 reps in and around 3 sets, that you're going to be then able to go on to the next variation, which is going to be your plank get-ups, okay? So whenever you can plank position and get up on one arm, back down and get up on the opposite. You're going to do that for about 15 reps, okay? That's going to help build up the strength, the endurance, functionality within your upper body, and then being able to go ahead and perform your normal push-up variation. So team, whenever you can perform 10 to 15 solid reps of your plank get-ups, like so, you're then able to go in and perform your normal push-up variation, okay? From your normal high push-up position, lowering the chest right down, and powering right back up again, okay? The same thing here, whenever you can perform 10 to 15 solid reps in and around 3 sets, you're going to be able to go ahead and perform the more advanced, such as your diamond grip push-ups, your wide grip push-ups, your cross push-ups, your pike. The word is your limit whenever it comes to being able to perform these push-up variations whenever you can master the normal push-up. And this is why my clients get such incredible results, because we're able to work personally together to truly master their body weight to get into the best shape and the best health of their life. But team, if you implement these strategies, you're going to go ahead and be able to become a master at the push-up and work towards the more advanced variations. So team, there's a full breakdown on how you can go from a complete beginner to being able to master the push-up. Team, if you enjoyed this video and it really helped you out, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of the video. Also, leave a comment and let me know what more exercises you would like me to showcase within my YouTube channel that you can go ahead and master. I have a lot planned out, such as the one-arm push-up, the more explosive variations. I'm going to do a breakdown on the pull-up, etc. But I want to hear from you what you would like to see. Okay, so drop a comment below and let me know. Team, if you haven't, please be sure to subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of these upcoming videos, because as you know, I'm really giving it my all with this YouTube channel and I'm going to be pushing forward, really help motivate and inspire you to take your fitness level way beyond what you ever thought was possible. And team, if you're looking for me to coach you personally, to get you in the absolute best shape and the best health of your life by utilising these unique training strategies, tailoring everything around your lifestyle, and most importantly, you and I working together one-on-one, click the link below and apply for my one-on-one personal online transformation coaching program, and I will see if you're a good fit, and hopefully you and I will get working together. But team, once again, thank you so much for the incredible support lately. It truly means a lot to me. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.